going on? You guys ever thought about what set to open and couldn't decide? So you decided to open multiple sets? It's pretty much where we're at today. We're going to have 6 Rise of the Floodborn, 2 Into the Inklands, and 2 Shimmering Skies. Just because I still want to try to get an enchanted out of this one, and at least another enchanted out of this one. But I was at Walmart the other day. They had a bunch of these. Well, not a bunch. They just had those 6 Floodborn. So I decided to grab them. And then that wasn't enough to do a video with. So added in a couple of Shimmering Skies and Into the Inklands. But I hope everyone's having a great Wednesday. If you're new, hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and start with the Floodborn. Everyone excited for the set 6? Comes out in just what, 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks? Looking like pretty good, and they just showed off that first enchanted. The basil looked really good. Looks really different. Looks kind of cool actually. Like, I don't know, it's like almost like a blueprint vibe to it, I feel like. Blue Fairy, Rare Dragon Gem, Rare Noi, and a Hollow or Foil Panic. Alright. And then I think Pocket comes out. Pokemon Pocket comes out tomorrow. Right? The 30th, 31st? I don't remember which one. I think it's the 30th. I think it's tomorrow. So that's going to be pretty exciting. Something new. And then this weekend was starting the pre-release parties for Surging Sparks. Ooh, Super Rare Beast. And a Foil Arthur. But, so those 2 things are both going on. And then I think those Ultra Premium collections come out this weekend. There's a lot going on this month. Well, this coming month. Starting basically tomorrow. Or already, really. Cinderella. Wonder Merlin as a goat. Oh! Legendary Beast and a Foil Lishang. Alright, well, we got 1 legendary so far. I don't think this card's a very big card, I don't remember. I don't feel like it is. I mean, I still like the Beast, Beauty and the Beast, throwback, legendary still, but 3 packs left. But yeah, so big month, pretty exciting. Might add in a couple extra videos instead of just the typical Wednesday, Saturday videos right now, because there's a lot going on. Magic Broom, another Goat Merlin, Rare Cobra. Ooh. Oh, and a foil, the Queen, but a legendary Madame. That was a double banger pack. You know what, we're gonna just go ahead and throw that up there because it's still pretty good. And what, the Queen's one of 4 characters that have been in every set so far. So, not sure why she is one of them, but she is. As far as I know, it's her, Mickey, Minnie, and I don't remember what the other one was. It might have been, was it Hey Hey? I don't remember. Two packs of Floodborn left. Blue, Ray, Nothing to Hide, Cuzco, Charge, Lawrence, Bucky, Yasma, a rare Sleepy's Flute, a super rare The Queen that we just got the foil of, and oh, another really good pack. We got a foil legendary Scar. Now that's a nice looking card. Oh, these Floodborn packs. What? I knew they were gonna be that good. I would have started off with the other sets. I didn't realize we were gonna get all that out of Floodborn. Alright, here we go. Last Floodborn pack. Alright, Basil, which is the first enchanted showed for this new set. Elsa, riding her horse, Tigger. Bounce. Dopey. Rare Gaston. Rare Teeth and Ambitions, and a foil Mulan. Alright, that was pretty solid for Floodborn. Let's go ahead and move these cards out of the way though. Alright, here we go. We'll do Shimmering Skies last since it's the newest. And one I'm really the most excited to get an enchanted from. But Into the Inklands still, it's probably still one of my favorite sets. Just like the vibe of the whole set. Moana, Diablo, Pluto, get a heal what has been hurt. Jafar, Tinkerbell, Starlight Vial, Treasure Guardian, and a foil location. Plus Into the Inklands what added the location, so I think that was pretty cool. It's kind of stuck in there a little bit. Alright, Minnie, give me something good. Feel very stiff and firm together. They're like kind of been sitting there for a while. Dalmatian Puppy. Scrooge. Rare Robin Hood. A super rare Little John. And a foil Jim Hawkins. Alright. And organize these out. Alright, here we go. Last two packs. Shimmering Skies. But yeah, so it's going to be a pretty big month. And then following months, holidays, and my birthday month, so a lot going on through the rest of the year. This will be the first holiday season I have with the kids, so that's going to be cool. It's going to bring a little magic back to the holidays, you know? It's always a good thing. As an adult, they start to get kind of stale after a while, you know? Merlin, Dopey, Turbo, Sleepy, a rare Moana, super rare Prince John, and a foil Minnie Mouse. Alright, and this is our real last pack. Last Shimmering Skies pack, and the last pack of the thing. Good old Donald. See if he can pull through and give us something we actually need. Probably not. But as always, last pack. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new and you still haven't, hit subscribe. If you guys can all hit the like button, it really helps out and it really means a lot. Let's see if we can pull an enchanted. Mickey, followed by a Mini. You're welcome. And a Stitch. Rare Royal. A rare Rafiki, and a foil Ed. Looking goofy as all. Alright, well, no enchanted, but we did get 3 legendaries, one of which was a foil, and then a foil super rare, the Queen, so, you know, not too bad. Still fun opening. And, so, go ahead and catch you guys in Friday's video. Later.